Insane power comparisons and the power of machines when pushed into the most extreme situations. The Carovet's K525 tractor, pulling a trailer loaded with tons of cargo, gets stuck in a field covered with thick snow. After struggling for hours without getting free, it has no choice but to call for help from a similar machine. With its powerful engine, it quickly pulls the trapped vehicle out of danger, slowly moving forward.
Sure.
Despite the extremely slippery, muddy conditions, this machine keeps working hard to collect logs. Of course, trouble is unavoidable. The wheels sink deep into the mud, and the machine tilts sharply to one side. Getting out of here is truly difficult. Too dangerous. The slippery roads leave deep wheel ruts stretching into long tracks. The Belarus MTZ tractor gets stuck in the mud and has to rely on another machine for rescue. The cable is secured to the front, and a powerful pull begins. Cheer for this machine by commenting 1. Completely overturned. The trailer loaded with logs lies flipped by the roadside, with the logs rolling entirely into the water. And then comes the spectacular rescue by the forwarder. Using its powerful arm, it slowly lifts each log back up. Once again, a forestry tractor faces the challenge of deep mud. The wheels move slowly, looking strong and steady, but before long, it gets stuck again. The wheels spin in desperation. Let's watch this machine operate in extremely harsh conditions. Equipped with a powerful engine, it pushes deep into the forest to collect logs. I'm really impressed by this machine. Thick smoke billows up as the wheels spin helplessly. Facing nature is truly a major challenge. Layers of mud hold the wheels back. It seems another machine will be needed for support. A power showdown between two tractor models, MTZ and T40. Secured with a strong cable at the rear, both machines pull with full force when the signal is given. Which machine do you think will win? Still a power comparison, but this time it's different. The challenge for these two machines is climbing a steep slope covered in thick, slippery snow, and it looks incredibly tough. The machine gives it everything to climb up, but the slick snow sends it sliding back down uncontrollably. Subscribe now so you don't miss the most intense machine failures. The New Holland 6640 tractor, equipped with a 4-disc plow, is completely submerged in mud. This time, it turns into a tug-of-war. Struggling against the mud, with support from a similar tractor, they use all their power to pull the machine out. Even with tracks equipped, Hauling 40 tons of logs up a mountainside is still a massive challenge. The John Deere 640H, powered by a strong engine, strains for hours to pull the load. In the end, the effort pays off. Each long log is gradually hauled up. These insane machines are back at it again, another power showdown. They keep pulling forward through thick black smoke as the heavy snow and ground are torn apart beneath their wheels. This display of power is truly beyond imagination. If you think it's absolutely crazy, comment 1 right now. No, this looks way too dangerous. The vehicles are stuck deep in the mud, their engines roaring as the entire machine shake violently. It's hard to tell how long it will take for these machines to break free. While collecting dried corn, the tractor suddenly gets stuck in the mud. Let's watch the rescue by a similar machine. It uses its full power to pull the other tractor all the way back home. You've got to give a top-tier word to the T16 tractor. It handles terrain incredibly well, equipped with a powerful engine built to conquer mud and mountainous areas. It moves at a solid speed, making it highly efficient in hard-to-reach locations. Subscribe now so you don't miss the most intense, dangerous machine failures and those jaw-dropping moments of expert handling you can't look away from.